to crack UPSC and TNPSC. So today is our first class. We are going to look about history. We are going syllabus wise. So first we will complete history topic from standard 6 term 1 unit 1. In this class we will study about what is history, prehistory, main sources and some info facts and case study given in this chapter. So what is history? Study of past in chronological order means we will study about our past from first to last. For easy understanding, write about Mahatma Gandhi's history. We will write where did he born, where did he died, how did he died, what did he studied, what did he done within this period from birth to death. We will write completely about him. So that is Mahatma Gandhi's history. So history means study of past from first to last. Chronological means from first to last. So study of past in chronological order. Time in history. So history time is just two time. BCE, CE. Before Common Era and Common Era. Before it is known as BCAD. Next, prehistory. So in history topics there are three: ancient history, medieval history and modern history. How do we know this is medieval history, this is ancient history, this is modern history? By their major sources. The materials we get from there, from a place, and it is said that this is prehistory, this is proto-history, this is modern history. So by sources, how will you tell this is the material we got from this period? Yeah, by carbon dating. We have an experiment called carbon dating. It will tell, by this experiment it will tell this material is from this period, to a particular period. So that's why we know this is prehistory, this is ancient history, this is medieval history. In prehistory, first stone tools. They used tools like stone. In prehistory, an invention of writing system. Writing system means not by words, by rock painting. They their drawings in rocks. What they did, how they hunted, they have drawn in the rock. That is writing system. That system is first started in prehistory. Major sources: stone tools, excavated materials and rock paintings. These are the main source we got from prehistory. So this is the rock painting. In ancient period, people lived in caves. So there they drawn pictures. Paintings in rocks. These are called the rock paintings. So first I told about source. By source we will find this is a particular period of time. So there are two sources: archaeological source, literary source. In archaeological source we will get ornaments, tools, coins, etc. By that we will know this is from a particular period. So these are the archaeological source. Literary source means epics, poems, stories, novels, literature. So these are the literary source, and we will find this by these literary source we will find this is from a particular period. So in this Indian map there is given in which places Stone Age have happened, Iron Age happened, Bronze Age happened. So these are some places. Paleolithic means Stone Age, Neolithic, Iron Age, Bronze Age. I will tell this topic detailedly in another video. So study these places just for knowing. Proto-history. History between prehistory and history. The period between prehistory and history is known as proto-history. In this period, they domesticated dog for protection and hunting. So in ancient time, people lived in caves. There they will suffer by some animals. To know that, they domesticated dog. Dog have sniffing power, so they can easily found out any other animals come into their caves. So by that they domesticated dog for their protection and hunting. Okay. these are the topics given in this chapter. So the lesson is over. We can look about some info bites and case study given in this chapter. Info bites. The term history derived from Greek word historia, means learning by inquiry. Inquiry means we will study by asking or we will study by our own by searching. These are called the inquiry. So the term history is derived from Greek word historia. Numismatics means study of coins. Study of coins is called numismatics. Study of inscription is called epigraphy. Inscription means the written words in temples, pillars, metal pillars, rocks. These are called the inscription. So study of this inscription is called the epigraphy. Dharma is a Pangrit word for the Sanskrit term dharma. So dharma means dharma. It is a Sanskrit. We likely known as Sanskritam. Yeah, from that we get dharma. It means religious duty. So infobite is over. This is a case study given in our chapter about mighty emperor Ashoka. Here are some points to know about him. So listen carefully. First one, famous ruler of ancient India. He was the famous ruler found in India, in ancient India. In his period, Buddhism spread different parts of Asia. In his period, he spreaded more parts of India or more parts of Asian continent about Buddhism. He gave up war, seeing people death of the Kalinga war. So we all know about Ashoka. Like he, after Kalinga war, he got victory, but he gave up the war because his people have been died due to war. So he gave up war. He didn't get into war after that because he was so affected that his peoples are dying by these wars. So he gave up war, devoted life to spread message of peace and dharma. To spread peace and dharma to each and every people, he devoted his whole life for it. Exemplary. Exemplary means mun udaranam in Tamil. He was one of the model for peace and dharma. For spreading peace and dharma, he was the model, role model for everyone. First ruler to give up war after victory. So if we fight, we got victory. Will he give up for him? No. But Ashoka did. He was the first ruler to give up war after victory. First to build hospital for animals. He was the first who built hospital for animals and first to lay roads. So next is important point, Dharma Chakra with 24 spokes in our national flag taken from Sarna pillar of Ashoka. So in our national flag there is a chakra with 24 spokes. It is taken from the Sarna pillar of Ashoka. So still 20th century nobody knows about who is Ashoka. By the material evidence provided by William Jones, James Presence and Alexander Cunning, the greatness of Ashoka has been revealed. So a book is also written for Ashoka, The Search for the India's Lost Emperor by Charles Allen. These inscriptions on rocks, Sanchi Stupa and Sarnath pillar help to know greatness of Ashoka to the world. So what is inscription? I have told already. It is the written scripts from metal pillars, temples or rocks. This is Sarnath pillar. So you can see in the center there is the Ashoka Chakra. And this is Sanchi Stupa. By these evidences, from these evidences, we know who is Ashoka. Okay, I think everyone could understand me. If any doubts or you couldn't understand me, you can comment or join my Telegram link. Thank you.